I can send this information out via PowerPoint. I can select the PowerPoint, and down on my, it will actually take that view and put it right into a PowerPoint, which is really popular if you're putting together any type of report or presentation to a board or to a sales meeting. I can also email this out. So I can select email. It will take all the different criteria that's already been used for this particular view and put that view right into the email there. And actually also take a little picture of it and put it in as an attachment. As I showed you just the image. And then also, some people may not be as tech savvy as others. We have an export wizard that will actually help you automatically send that out using a wizard, going through step by step to put that information out that way.